All right. We're still kicking it with the fireplace in the background. For those of you guys who saw my second or third to last video, we're going to keep that thing rolling all month. Anyways, all right. You guys want to know the actual secret to like always being able to make money online and go out and work with brands and find clients, find business partners? The secret is having a YouTube channel. Like the amount of leverage that you have with a YouTube channel, the amount of just upside is way more than you would even imagine. All right. So I guess this video might be like convincing you to start a YouTube channel in 2025 video. I don't have like a YouTube course. I don't have anything to gain from this. I'm just going to tell you straight up. There's not a single industry or niche, anything related to making money online where having a personal YouTube channel and building a brand there is going to hurt you. Like there's only upside, seriously. And like the downside that you might connect with posting online, like, oh, does it take a lot of time? Yeah, it can take a lot of time. But if you're like, oh, you don't want to deal with hate, right? With like idiots in the comments, talking shit, whatever. As a small YouTuber, like it really doesn't exist. Honestly, like if you're on TikTok and you're starting to, you get people just scrolling, these dorks scrolling all day long. Just they see someone talking about what they're doing to make money online. Okay, they're in the comments right away. They're not even watching the video, anything. But like with a YouTube channel, if you sit and you watch somebody's video for like 15 minutes and at the end of it, you're like, I can hate this guy, right? Like this video sucks. It's like, what are you doing watching it then, dude? Like it's not something you just scroll past. So it honestly really doesn't happen that much. Anyways, that stuff doesn't even matter. Like back to the upside. Doesn't matter what niche or business model you're trying to pursue. A lot of you guys are probably content creators making money as TikTok shop affiliates, making money as TikTok affiliate managers, or if you're like a copywriter, a growth operator, a sales guy, like no matter what it is, there's only upside to having a YouTube channel. And like I said, it might not seem like you're probably going to be like, oh, the amount of time it takes to build a following on YouTube. But this is where like I only have, at the time I'm filming this video, 5,000 subscribers. And like the amount of opportunity that has come from that, like brands to work with, finding clients, finding people that have followed me and watched my videos now, like starting businesses with them. Like, trust me, it's way more than you think. Like when you're making like super business related content, just like super niche down content, you're going to find the right people. And at a bare minimum, if you like literally the bare minimum, you're going to find other people who are doing what you're doing, and then you're going to be able to connect with them and grow your business in that way. Those of you guys who have followed me for a while, I mostly talk about stuff that's TikTok shop related, like being a content creator. And the way that you make money consistently, like every single month guaranteed with that business model, is having clients on a retainer basis, right? You have brands paying you every single month to make X amount of content or to do whatever service or to build their affiliate programs and manage that, right? But the hardest part with all of this is finding the clients. Like if you're cold emailing, if you're cold DMing, cold calling, it's going to be so much harder. It still is 100% possible. You're just doing yourself like a disservice by not having a YouTube channel. If you're reaching out to a brand and you want to be their content creator and you have a YouTube channel that you are posting on consistently for a week, like the first question they're going to ask is, okay, let's see some videos. Having a YouTube channel is going to give you so much more authority over everybody else that is DMing them from like, a random email with they don't have any content. They don't have any online presence at all. Right? This is literally how I landed my first 2 clients, not even on this YouTube channel, on my other one. I'll pop it up here that I started like 4 years ago. The videos were awful. Well, in my opinion, the content was actually pretty good, but the way I shot it, I literally shot the first few like on my iPhone. I had no clue how to edit. And I got my first 2 clients from that. One of them that I literally still work with to this day, just from having like a YouTube channel and a YouTube presence. So the videos don't have to be good. Like they just have to like exist. Like they just have to be there online. So when if somebody gets an email from you or a DM and they're like, all right, I'm going to look this guy up. You know, most of the time, there's probably zero content linked to the people who are reaching out to these brand owners. So if they look you up, they're like, oh, wow, this kid's got like a full YouTube channel, like showing how he makes content. Say if you're like I said, it works for literally anything. If you're pitching someone as like a growth operator, I get pitched as a growth operator, or from growth operators all the time. If I go in and I look at like 100 messages and 3 of them have like a YouTube channel breaking down like what they do, they don't even need to have clients, like just breaking down like what they would do or what they think is going to work well. 100% you're looking at only those 3. Like you're not even considering the others. Or if you're like a thumbnail designer and you have a YouTube channel of you showing live how you go in and make thumbnails, your prospect sees that. That is super valuable to have. They're going to be like, wow, this guy is the real deal. He actually does what he is pitching me, and he does it really well. Got one of the ads again. Maybe this will be a good time to throw an ad on my video. Actually, I don't control those. I just let YouTube do its thing there. Not only will you have that authority that is going to help you way more than you can imagine when you're doing cold outreach, but you're always going to have people reaching out to you. Like you're going to have like a consistent stream of people who are watching your videos and they're searching for the content that you're putting out. Like if it's business related and these business owners are like, okay, like say you're a TikTok affiliate manager. They type in how to build TikTok affiliate program. And then you have a video there. This is how you go in and build, like, they're going to be like, hey, I should just work with this guy. Or you build out like how to design an email, how to build a landing page. Like, you know, people searching for that. It doesn't even, that's the thing. It doesn't need a lot of views. Like it's going to hit the right people and you're always going to have people coming in. And the content doesn't have to be like, it really doesn't even have to be crazy good. Like you don't need to do any editing. I don't do any editing for the most part on my videos. Like I chop up like dead spots, but I don't do like crazy B-roll or like effects. Like it's literally just me talking to the camera. So it doesn't have to be like anything crazy, right? Especially if you're coming into this with the mentality of like, all right, like you don't need a massive personal brand. You just have to like be on the internet where brands can find you. You have the authority and you can have people, your ideal clients will be searching for the content that you're posting. So it's a win-win. You know, I feel like a friggin' YouTube promoter right now. Maybe I should send this to YouTube and have them run it as an ad. But no, it's just like the truth. Like it just is the easiest way to get clients, to build connections. Like, you know, TikTok is great for like building a quick following. Like it's great for like discovery. People find you, they see what you do, but like you don't really build, especially nowadays where like the biggest TikTokers and the people making the most money are like TikTok affiliates that nobody knows. So it's like, I don't know, in my opinion, I think it's better to build a personal brand on YouTube. Like you need way less followers. You can actually build like a real connection with the people who watch your videos. And it's the best for like businesses. Like, cause people, you know, most of the time business owners aren't going to be like searching TikTok. They're going to be going to YouTube, looking for tutorials, talking about whatever they're doing, like whatever business industry they're in. So there's literally no downside. Like I said, the only downside is like sitting down it takes longer. All right, I'm not going to lie and be like, oh, it takes freaking 10 minutes. It's going to take a little bit to pump out videos, but it's absolutely like worth it. Like if you start it in 2025 and you're posting consistently, I can pretty much guarantee that your business, everything is going to change within, like your business will 100% change within that year. No doubt. So that's the YouTube motivational rant, I guess. But I was like, I saw someone commented on one of my last videos asking to talk more about like how I make videos because they wanted to start a channel. And I was like, yeah, like everybody just should have a channel. Like it doesn't have to be good. It doesn't have to have a lot of followers. And it just makes everything so much easier. Like that's the secret, right? Like having a YouTube channel is better than any cold call script or cold email script that you could find. So just my thoughts. Like I said, like I'm still in like the early stages of YouTube. Like I don't know how many subs I'll have at the time you're watching this video, but I have 5,000 right now. Like a tiny YouTube channel in the grand scheme of things. And like I said, like even from what I've like personally seen, like it's crazy the amount of opportunity that comes from a YouTube channel. So there it is. If you guys start one, drop your channel name in the comments. I'll go subscribe, check them out. Oh, here's another point. If you're thinking like, oh, you know, what are my friends, and another thing you just shouldn't even consider, but like, what are my friends going to think, right? Like if you're younger, like in high school, maybe it's like it'll be like a thing. Oh, this kid's got a YouTube channel. whatever. But it's like here's the thing that I noticed. Your friends actually will not watch your videos. They're going to watch the first one. Whoa, that's crazy. Group chat, blah, 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 all this shit, right? After that, they actually won't watch your videos. Like, there's probably, I'd say, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 of my friends. I'm not even kidding. Like, I even know I have this channel. Like, they know I do like social media stuff and like TikTok stuff, but like, there's probably 2 or 3 that actually subscribe to the channel. So I remember when I first started my other one, I would send it into like, I didn't care. I was like, I want everyone to know I have a channel, but I would send my videos into a group chat with like 10 people. The video would have like 3 views after a day. I'm like, why aren't you guys watching the video? I'd send it to like a fan. It's like people actually won't watch your videos. That's the thing. It's pretty crazy. So don't even consider that. That's funny. It's a little story there. But anyways, hey, subscribe to my channel because I'm going to continue posting on this bad boy. And yeah, if you guys start one, if you have one, drop them down in the comments. We'll run it up. We'll get it going. We'll get it going in 2025. Anyways, that's the video. Hey, hope you guys liked it. Like it for me. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.